All who come to this happy place, welcome.
Hi guys, Disney Dave here. Welcome to my channel. Just a quick video. Recently hit the 500 subscribers a couple of days ago. And as a thank you, I thought I'd do a little giveaway video. As a thank you to all my subscribers out there, old and new. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And then you could be eligible for this little giveaway. Anyway, let's jump right in and I'll show you what's up for grabs. Oh, by the way, this is a Beauty and the Beast themed giveaway. So it's everything to do with that movie. First up, Cogsworth. Little Cogsworth purse. Rather cute. Got a little zip there. Keep all your valuables in. There you go, it's number one. Number two is Lumiere. Bit of a dancing Lumiere. Anyway, that's him there. Rather cute again. Got a little zip there with a flame on. Number three is Chip. That's him there. Zip on the side again. And number four is Mrs. Potts. She's adorable, this one. Zip on the side again. It's quite bigger than the other ones, this one, which is really nice. And then the fifth and final one is Chip again, but this time he comes as a backpack. It's quite big. Probably it'll do for a child or an adult, but there's plenty of room in there. Put all your valuables, your phone and keys or wherever. So that's him, Chip. Anyway guys, the conditions of entry for this giveaway is 1, you've got to be subscribed to my channel. 2, if you could like my video. And 3, if you can put in the comments below which Beauty and the Beast item you would like to be put in the prize draw for. And also, can you tell me what is your favourite theme park in Orlando and why? Anyway guys, like I said, it's just a quick video, quick giveaway. This is available to anybody in the world, so it doesn't matter where you live in the world. If you are the winner, I will post this item out to you. And the best of luck to everybody. And I should be announcing the winners in about a week's time. I'll do a fair draw, and we can get in contact with each other through there. Okay, best of luck to everybody. Bye.